Get ready to experience cinema at home like never before. I'm here to tell you about the incredible Sony BRAVIA 8 II, and trust me, it's a game changer. First off, let's talk about what makes this TV truly stand out. It's been handpicked by Amazon, which means they've done all the research so you don't have to, no more endless browsing for you. But what really gets me excited is the fact that Sony has cranked up their OLED brightness to an impressive 8 million self-lit pixels, precisely controlled to produce pure black. That's right, folks, with this level of brightness, you'll be able to see every detail in the darkest scenes like never before. But it's not just about brightness, the quantum dot panel is where things get really interesting. Billions of accurate real-world colors come alive on your screen, making everything from sunsets to skin tones look incredibly realistic. And with XR Triluminos Max, you'll feel like you're right there in the action. Now, I know what you're thinking, what about processing power? Well, let me tell you, Sony's got this covered too. The XR processor with AI technology is a beast of a processor that intelligently enhances every scene in real time, boosting color, contrast, and clarity. That means your favorite shows and movies will look sharper, clearer, and more vibrant than ever. And then there's Google TV, everything you stream, all in one place. With just the sound of your voice, you can search for content, ask questions, or even control other smart devices in your home. It's like having your own personal assistant built right into your TV. But what about streaming to your TV? No problem. Sony's got Apple AirPlay 2 and Google Cast covered, so you can easily share your favorite shows or movies from your phone or tablet to the big screen. And if you're a movie buff, you'll love the fact that Sony Pictures has included a ton of exclusive content with the Sony Pictures Core app. Plus, studio-calibrated picture modes mean that every scene will look just like it was intended by the creators. No more guessing what's really going on. But wait, there's more. Dolby Vision and Atmos, IMAX Enhanced, and DTS-X are all here to give you an immersive viewing experience like no other. And with XR Clear Image and AI technology, even your HD and digital content gets a boost, bringing back lost detail that'll make everything look crystal clear. So what does it all add up to? A cinematic OLED picture that's truly unlike any other, with stunning contrast, billions of quantum dot colors beautifully illuminated, and every detail brought to life with XR processor with AI technology. And let me tell you, folks, this is a viewing experience like no other. If you want to see what I'm talking about, check out the link below for the best price on this incredible TV. Your eyes and ears will thank you.